In the digital age, code is the new universal language, shaping our world from the apps on our phones to the algorithms that power entire industries. As technology continues its rapid advance, the ability to program is no longer a niche skill but a fundamental tool for innovation and career growth. If you're a young student standing at the threshold of this exciting world, the first big question you face is which language to learn. Let's dive into the current trend and help you make the right choice. Choosing your first programming language is a pivotal decision that can shape your entire career trajectory. It's like picking your starting character in a massive role-playing game. Each one has unique strengths, abilities, and paths it excels in. Two of the most dominant and recommended languages for beginners are Python and Java. Both are powerful, versatile, and in high demand, but they cater to different philosophies, applications, and industries. So, which one is the right choice for you? Let's start with Python. Often hailed as the most beginner-friendly language, Python's syntax is clean, readable, and remarkably close to plain English. This simplicity allows you to grasp core programming concepts like loops, variables, and functions without getting bogged down by complex rules. You can write your first Hello World program in a single line of code, providing a quick sense of accomplishment that keeps you motivated. This gentle learning curve is a major reason why Python is overwhelmingly taught as the introductory language in universities and coding bootcamps worldwide. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is a heavyweight contender in some of the most cutting-edge industries. Its true power shines in the fields of data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. With an extensive ecosystem of libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and TensorFlow, Python has become the de facto language for anyone looking to analyze massive datasets, build predictive models, or develop AI applications, from Netflix's recommendation engine to the algorithms that guide self-driving cars. Python is the engine behind the data revolution. If you're fascinated by data, automation, or the future of AI, learning Python is a non-negotiable first step. Beyond data, Python is also a star in web development, particularly for building the backend of websites and applications using frameworks like Django and Flask. Now, let's turn our attention to Java. Java is a titan of the programming world, built on the principle of write once, run anywhere. This means that code written in Java can run on any device that has a Java Virtual Machine (JVM), making it incredibly portable and scalable. While its syntax is more verbose and stricter than Python's, this structure enforces good programming habits and a deep understanding of object-oriented principles from the get-go. Learning Java might be a steeper climb, but the foundational knowledge you gain is invaluable and makes learning other languages much easier down the road. Java's stronghold is in the world of large-scale enterprise applications. The biggest banks, e-commerce giants, and financial institutions rely on Java for its robustness, security, and performance. If you dream of building complex, high-performance systems that serve millions of users, Java is your language. Think about the back-end systems of Amazon, the trading platforms on Wall Street, or the vast majority of Android mobile apps. That's the power of Java at work. The Android operating system itself is largely built on Java, making it the primary language for developing native mobile apps for billions of devices. For aspiring software engineers who want to work in big tech or finance, a strong command of Java is often a golden ticket. So, which language is more profitable to learn? The truth is, both Python and Java can lead to highly lucrative careers. The best choice really depends on your personal interests and career aspiration. If your passion lies in data, AI, scientific computing, or rapid prototyping, Python is the clear winner. The demand for data scientists and machine learning engineers is skyrocketing, and Python is the key to unlocking those opportunities. The salaries in these fields are extremely competitive, reflecting the specialized skills required. On the other hand, if you are drawn to building large, scalable enterprise systems, mobile applications for the Android market, or working within the corporate software development world, Java is an incredibly strong choice. Java developers are consistently in high demand, and the stability and high salaries associated with enterprise software engineering make it a very safe, and profitable path. Many of the highest-paying software engineering roles at top tech companies require a deep understanding of systems architecture, for which Java provides an excellent foundation. Ultimately, the Python versus Java debate isn't about which language is objectively better, but which is better. Asterisk for you asterisk. My advice is to explore the application areas that excite you most. Do you want to build the next viral app? Or do you want to uncover hidden patterns in data to predict the future? If you're still unsure, start with Python. Its gentle learning curve will give you the confidence and foundational skills to tackle any language, including Java, later on. The most important step is to simply start. Pick a language, write your first line of code, and begin your journey into the incredible world of programming. The future is waiting to be written, and you have the power to write it.